Hi, this is Ryan Lewis, and welcome to the PAS classroom. Today we're going to learn how to make do-it-yourself triangle clips. Here's what you need. First, a 1-inch metal spring clip. You can get these online or at your local hardware store. A spool of thin fishing line, a pair of scissors, and a drill with a small bit. Step 1, drill 2 holes about 3/4 or 1 inch apart on one of the handles. Make sure it's wider than the triangle diameter and leave room for your thumb at the end of the clip. Next, make a first loop out of fishing line 3/4 to 1 inch diameter below the handle. Use your triangle, a finger, or even a drumstick to measure that. Tie it off on the inside of the clip and trim the excess. Next, make a second loop slightly larger than the first as a backup in case the first one breaks. Don't try to use one piece looped twice. Now, tie it off on the inside of the clip just like the first one and trim the excess. And that's today's lesson from the PAS classroom.